Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another lip swatch video for you guys. Okay, and don't I kind of like look like a turkey dinner? Like it's kind of turkey dinner vibes, no? I was like, what am I gonna do with my hair? Turkey it is. Okay, so today I'm going to be swatching the Makeup Forever Rouge Artist Forever Matte Lipsticks. Makeup Forever did send me this enormous package, so thank you so much Makeup Forever, and I'm so excited to put these on my lips. I have not tried these lipsticks before, but I do have these lip liners and I am obsessed with them. The Artist pencils are like the epitome of the best lip liners out there. Total Taupe is my favorite, and I usually put that on like every single one of my brides. It's like that perfect like outer lip tone ombre shade for a nude lip. It's amazing. So I do have 10 shades here, and we're just gonna get right into them and swatch them. I do have this little cheat sheet, so I am gonna swatch them from lightest to darkest. These are supposed to have a 24-hour smoothing matte finish. They are supposed to be transfer proof as well, so we will see. And it's supposed to have an exclusive seamless swipe applicator, which this applicator is really unique. I don't know if I've seen like a lip applicator quite like this one before. It's quite stout and the circumference of it is quite, circumference of it is quite large. I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of control with this applicator, and I'm excited for like the angle of it so I can get a super sharp line. The packaging is cute too. It looks like the little like end of a brush, which is very like on brand for Makeup Forever. It's very about artistry. I love Makeup Forever. Literally like 60% of my kit is Makeup Forever. They're also supposed to be lightweight and comfortable. So this is shade 106. Let's start. Oh my god. They have such a beautiful scent. It almost, what does that smell like? Like Dolce & Gabbana light blue or? All right, that is 106. It's a very pulling yellow tone nude. I will say it's different to get used to not using the side of the applicator, but rather the end of it. So I can't hold my arm down here. I have to hold it out here. Something to get used to. I also find that it's quite messy up here, but that just might be me constantly putting it in and out. I don't really know. Anyway, that one is 106. Next up, we have 190, which is called Always Au Naturel. And this seems to be the lightest shade in the bunch. These smell so good. Oh my god. Okay, I actually love the applicator on these, and you know what, these smell like a rich, I mean, these are $33 Canadian, so it's not cheap drugstore makeup by any means, but it feels like very like high-end luxury. What do we think of this color? I mean, it's pulling a little coral for me, but it's not a bad shade. What do we think? It's 190. Next up, we have shade 192, which is called Toffee at All Hours. Okay, here's the tea. If you want a matte lipstick that is going to instantly dry and be permanently where you put it and it's not going to bleed in your corners, this is it. This is amazing. Like, it is dried. Like, just me sitting here and talking, where is it? I don't know. Anyway, that's 192. Okay, so I take photos on my lips. I go like this. And I take photos, and look, there's not any lipstick on the tube. Unreal. Here, I have a bottle of alcohol I just bought. Nothing. All right, next is 194, and it's called Immortal Rosewood, and I think I'm gonna really like this one. Oh yeah. That is Immortal Rosewood. Why can't I say the word immortal? Anyway, one thing about this applicator I love is that when you put it in the pot, it like collects, there's a cat hair of course, collects products at the end, so it's so easy to deposit onto your lips. And I love this color. This is stunning. I'm living. Next we have 240, which is Rose Now and Always. Oh my gosh. Okay, I really like this color. It's not my teeth, no. Oh, this one's so pretty, and like it's not what I thought I would have liked, honest to God, but it is so stunning. Oh, and look at these sharp lines. Oh, this applicator is to die for. Like, I really had to put in no work other than just go like this. Like, this applicator is good. So we've breached over into like the reddish tone. So this is, what number is this? 320 GOJI All the Time. I mean, hot damn, is that not a stunning brick orange? This is so beautiful. I love colors. I don't like wearing colors, but I love color. Isn't it so weird? I don't know. This goes well with my turkey dinner look. So that is 320 GOJI All the Time. Guys, when I say they're matte, they're definitely matte. Please pray for me. All right, 342 Infinite Sunset. Make it fancy. Did they even make those Vietnamese more? Ooh, you know what I said. Oh my god, I love this color. This is like, if I'm gonna wear an orange, this is the kind of orange I want to wear. This is beautiful. I got a little on my teeth. Oh, I love it. What do you guys think? Do we like me in orange? I feel like with this eye, it's just very like cohesive and pretty. Oh, I love, love, love. Another alcohol test. There's nothing there. There's literally nothing there. Say a little prayer for me. My lips hurt, my lips hurt, my lips really fucking hurt. This is what that song was written for. This moment right now. Here we go with the red one. This is shade 402, Constantly on Fire. Why do I keep doing this? I don't know. Oh, I knew they smelled like something. The YSL, that's what they smell like. They smell like the YSL lipsticks. I knew it. Okay, beautiful red, wonderful cool tone. I think that this is going to be a top seller because this is stunning. And like, if it's this matte, like why wouldn't you be obsessed with this in a red? Ah, beautiful. All right, 440 is called Chilly for Life. And I have a feeling I'm going to like this one, you guys. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Okay, this reminds me of, what's that MAC lipstick that literally looks like this color? Oh my god, I got it when I was in Chicago on a school trip for university in like 2012 or something like that. That is what this reminds me of, and I love it. Ah, it's like a muted red. It's like, oh, it's stunning. Also, god damn, I did that uneven. Anyway, that is 440 Chilly for Life. Okay, we've swatched almost all of them. Last but not least is 442 and it is called Everlasting Scarlet. Oh. I was confused by that packaging. Wow. Oh my god. It's definitely a Scarlet. This is a striking, bold, and bright lip. It's beautiful. Like, I just wish I could lay in a tub. Oh, what was that movie? Was that Patch Adams when that woman laid in a tub of spaghetti? I just want to lay in a tub of lipstick. Do you know what I'm saying? And bitch, this is matte. Oh my god. Okay, so my favorites are Immortal Rosewood and Chilly for Life. These are my two favorites, and I feel like anyone who knows me could probably guess that. I mean, I do like this one too, but the Chilly for Life, man, it just takes me back to Chicago. Takes me there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. And don't forget, I'm a turkey, okay?